How do we carry ideas forward? Across distance, across generations, from stone to scrolls, from paper to pixels. Documents held our ideas, captured our thoughts, echoed our voices, preserved what mattered. They moved us forward, but the world raced ahead, and our tools stood still, bound by formats, trapped in static lines. Now, a new intelligence is emerging, not to replace what came before, but to push it further, with smarter tools shaped for this moment, to renew momentum, to reimagine how we think, share, and build. We've written our past, now we're shaping what's next. A new vision of what documents can become, from rigid to responsive, from fixed formats to intelligent systems. The tools are here. What ideas will you carry forward? And what future will you build with them?